if you want to set up a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can find it by going to settings. Then in the settings, we need to find and go to security and privacy. Now over here, go to more security settings, and then here you should be able to find secure folder. You can tap on this option, then press continue one more time. And now we need to wait a couple of seconds and let the device create our secure folder. Once it is done, we need to set up a password for our secure folder, so we can press done. And let's choose what we want to use. In my case, I'm gonna choose pin code. I'm gonna enter a simple pin code. There we go. Now we can allow lock reset with Samsung account. So if you are signed into your Samsung account, you can use it in order to regain access to the secure folder in case you lose the password. So if you want to, you can press allow. If not, then you don't have to do this. All right. After that, we can press next, or if you want to, you can also enable and disable biometrics so that you can also unlock secure folder with your biometrics. I'm gonna press next, and there we go. We have our secure folder. Over here, we have some default apps that are stored in the secure folder. And what it does is whatever you store in those apps, or however you configure them, they are separated from those apps that you can find outside the secure folder. If you want to add apps, you can press this plus button over here, and then you can choose apps that will be added. So let's say I'm gonna select Facebook and then press add. Of course, you can select multiple apps at once, and you can add them like so. So now over here, if I open Facebook, I will have private data. I can sign into another account. I can use different settings. Every data that is stored in this app over here in the Facebook app in secure folder is different from the data that I have in Facebook app outside the secure folder. In addition to that, we can press these three dots over here in the top right, not really top right corner, but on the right side here, and we can find a bunch of different options like sorting, lock and exit. We can go to customize in order to customize the icon. We can also go to settings in order to find also some options like we can change the lock type again, we can add secure folder to the app screen, and so on and so forth. Now, once we exit this, and if you go back to the home screen, if you have the app screens or the app drawer, then over here you should be able to find the secure folder. So I have added Facebook to the secure folder, and over here I also have Facebook. So this is outside the secure folder. I can still open it without any issues. But if I want to access the secured Facebook app, then I need to open the secure folder, and then I can tap on Facebook over here, and here I will have completely different data. Now, remember that you can lock and exit so that whenever you try to open a secure folder again, you will need to use the password. And that is essentially it. Now, I can also recommend you going to the settings, so tap on these three dots and let's go to settings, and here we have auto lock secure folder, and this is of course up to personal preference. I think the best way to protect the secure folder is by choosing to auto lock the secure folder whenever you leave an app or after a certain period of time, so that when you leave the secure folder, you still have to pretty much enter the password again and verify yourself again. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can set up the private folder, or also known as the secure folder, and store apps over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!